In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of setting up Google AdSense, one of the most popular tools for earning money online by displaying ads on your website or content. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, this step-by-step guide will help you get your AdSense account up and running smoothly. Google AdSense is an advertising platform by Google that lets you monetize your website, blog, or YouTube content. It automatically shows relevant ads to your visitors, allowing you to earn money whenever users view or click those ads. Let's go through how to set it up properly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google AdSense. Once you're on the official homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you already have a Google account, log in using your credentials. If you don't, you'll need to create a new one. It's required to use AdSense. After signing in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard, which is where all the setup steps begin. The first section you'll need to complete is the Enter Information page. Here, you'll provide important details like your website URL, country, and account type, individual or business. It's important to fill this out accurately, as incorrect information can delay or complicate the approval process. Once that's done, click on the Ads section. This is where you'll decide what types of ads you want to display on your website. You can choose from various formats such as display ads, in-feed ads, or in-article ads. AdSense also gives you the option to use auto ads, which automatically place ads across your site for maximum performance. Take your time to experiment with different styles and placements to see what fits best with your site's layout and audience. Next, navigate to the Sites section. Here, you'll add the website or websites that you want to monetize. Click on Manage Sites, then Add Site, and enter your site's URL. Once added, Google will begin a review process to ensure your website follows AdSense policies, including having original content and a clear user experience. This review can take a few days, so don't worry if you don't get approved immediately. After your site is approved, you'll be able to start displaying ads and earning revenue. From this point on, make sure to regularly check your AdSense dashboard. It provides valuable insights like how many clicks your ads are receiving, which pages perform best, and how much income you're generating. Monitoring these analytics will help you fine-tune your ad placements for better results. And that's it. Your Google AdSense account is officially set up. With your ads now running, you can start generating income from your online content. Remember, success with AdSense doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, consistency, and understanding what your audience responds to best. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started confidently with Google AdSense. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and soon you'll see your hard work turn into a reliable source of online revenue.